Hello and welcome my Prep 3 students, Mr. Hani with you from Badr Tigers Private Schools. Today we are going to start with Unit 4, Lesson 1 and 2. Let's start with the first lesson. Unit 4's title is Science and Technology. The main objectives in this unit is we are going to talk about grammar, expressing certainty and uncertainty with might, must, can be. We are going to read a text about STEM schools, and then we are going to listen to an interview with a STEM school student. In the speaking session, we are going to express certainty and uncertainty. We are going to write an article about technology. Let's start with the first lesson. The first lesson is talking about STEM schools. Today, knowing how to use modern technology is essential, because people use it every day in schools, at home, and at work. It can't be easy if you don't know how to use a computer or to send an email. People with many different jobs, such as teachers, engineers, and scientists, all need to understand how to use the latest technology. Students who are very good at STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and math, can also help develop the technology of the future. STEM schools are special schools which focus on developing students' ability in these subjects. There are now STEM schools around the world where lessons are different to those in usual schools. Teachers encourage students to do projects where they work together to solve problems. A lesson might be about how fast a ball falls through the air, or it might be using data to make a graph. Expert teachers help the students through the projects and check their results. In Egypt, there are now STEM schools around the country and more will be built in the future. STEM school students must be hardworking. All their lessons are in English, so that they can understand and use scientific texts from around the world while they study. Experts say that there will be many more jobs in the future that need skills in STEM subjects. When they finish studying, STEM school students will be able to work in exciting jobs that will use the skills that they have learned. Now let's get through some important definitions. Essential means very important. To focus on something is to give all your attention to do something. Encourage, to make someone really like or do something. Data is about information or facts. Expert, having very special skills. STEM is the initials for science, technology, engineering, and math. Now, let's identify some exercises related to the previous text. Are these sentences true or false? Number 2. There are STEM schools in many different countries. Is that sentence true or false? Yes, that's true. Number 3. Science lessons are the same in STEM schools as in usual schools. Is it right or wrong? Oh yes, it's false. Number 4. There will be more STEM schools in Egypt in the future. Yes, that's true. Number 5. STEM school students only study science in English. Is that right? No, it's false. Now let's get through the second lesson in this our unit, And this is about expressing certainty and uncertainty. We are going to express certainty and uncertainty using some modal verbs like must, might, and the can to be. First, we can use these modal verbs to say how sure we are about something. If I'm not sure about something, we use might to say that we aren't sure. For example, the phone is ringing. It might be Aunt Mona, but I'm not sure. So I'm not sure, that's why I used might be. If there is a lot of traffic, I might be late. I might be late if there is a lot of traffic, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be late or not. So I use might be in case of I'm talking about uncertainty or I'm not sure of something. We use must be when we feel sure that something is true or when we feel sure about it. Like this sentence, you must be Salma's sister. You look very similar. Similar, like the same. So I'm sure that she's Salma's sister because I have an evidence. We use can't be when we feel sure something isn't true. It's a certainty in the negative mood. Like this example, that can't be a real dinosaur. That can't be a real dinosaur. There aren't any dinosaurs on Earth. That's a certainty in a negative mood. Now let's complete these sentences using might, must, or can't be. Number 2. In this photo, everyone is wearing warm clothes. Very cold there. What will be the answer? Yes, it must be very cold there. Number 3. I'm not sure what the weather will be like tomorrow. It, hot or windy? I'm not sure. Right, I will use might be. Number 4. Is this Nadia's bag? It. Let's see if her books are in it. Let's see if her books are in it. I'm not sure also, so it might be hers. Number 5. You've been working very hard today, Mom. You. Tired. You've been working very hard today. I'm sure she is tired, so you must be tired. Number 6. This Hassan's bicycle. This Hassan's bicycle. He doesn't have one. I'm sure that Hassan doesn't have a bicycle. So this can't be Hassan's bicycle. He doesn't have one. That's all. Thank you.